Hello guys, this is Drones Travels with a kind of an update for you guys who fly recreationally with drones. As of uh, June of 2021, you are required to take a safety test. Um, it's called Trust. I have went ahead and did the test for you guys to see what it's like. It is basically 5 segments, about 5 questions. Some are kind of tricky, but they're not. They're not, it's not designed to mess with you. It's a fairly simple, straightforward test. But yeah, as of June of this year, you are required to take the test in addition to registering your drone if it's more than 0.55 pounds. Other than that, it's not a terribly hard test. When you get completed, they will give you this printout, and this is your card to carry with you with your registration. So it's not a terribly hard test, but it is one that is required. There's no, well, I don't think I'm going to take it, piss on it, or whatever the case may be. You have to take the test. So, but it's not a hard test. It's fairly easy. If you go to faa.gov/UAS/registration, you will see it. There's 15 test sites that you can go to. I chose the Pilots Institute, but they have different institutes that you can go to. You can just click on the links for whatever place you want to go to, and it'll immediately take you to the test. You can see the questions and kind of review them, and then you can go ahead and start the test. It's not that terribly hard. When I did the test, I got 100% in each segment. So if you fly a drone and you know the rules, it's a no-brainer to take the test. They want you to take it. You have to take it if you want to fly your drones. Just go ahead and take the test and continue to enjoy flying your drone. This paperwork here is printout from the website. If you can see it here, there's FAA and all that. And down here is your test sites. You just click on one of these on your computer and it'll take you right to where you go to take your tests. It's not that terribly hard. And it says right here, if your drone weighs more than 0.55 pounds, register your drone to the FAA's drone zone. Pass the trust test. It didn't say you take the test if you feel like it. You must pass the trust test. Follow the safety guidelines on the FAA website for existing aero modeling organization, in other words, AMA. And in June 2021, FAA announced the following entities as the FAA approved test administrators of Trust, FAA approved Trust TA. And it goes right down to the list, and you just pick one of these sites, and that's where you're going to go take your test. If you're a recreational flyer, when you take the test, you have to create an account on whatever site you go to. You create your account and you take the test. Like I did the Pilots Institute, you create the account. Then when you're done, you print out the test and you leave. They delete all your information. So your information is not on file there. So they'll give you a authorization token number on this little card stating that you have taken the test. They delete your account, but I believe your information goes to the FAA. So it's to say that you've done it. So, but it's like just take the test and enjoy your drone. And if you're new to my channel, Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future updates. And as always, I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.